In this video, you will learn how to access the Quick Settings panel on your Android device. This demonstration is using a Google Pixel device, but these instructions should be similar for all other Android devices. The Quick Settings collect many of your phone's commonly used features in one place, so you don't need to search for them. You should know you can open the Quick Settings panel at any time, whether you're in an app, on a phone call, or on a website. For this demonstration, we will open it from the home screen. The swipe should always begin with your finger in the bezel, which is an area which surrounds the screen. And for this demonstration, we'll be swiping down from the middle of the screen. Here you will see a range of settings, and you can swipe across the left of the screen to see more. At the top left of the Quick Settings panel, you'll see an icon that controls the way you connect to the internet. You can turn it feature on and off by tapping its icon. This light purple icon means the feature is on. Tap it once to show the list of network connection options and then move the switch to turn it off. This is the Bluetooth icon. If you have set up your phone to make hands-free phone calls through your car's speakers, this purple icon shows whether the Bluetooth is switched on or off. To customize the panel, tap the small pen icon at the bottom of the panel to open the whole list of settings. Here, you can add and remove tiles to customize your panel. The list of tiles underneath the Hold and Drag to Add Tiles panel are the ones which are currently not in your Quick Settings but can be added. To do this, long press and hold a specific tile and it will slightly enlarge. Then drag it over the other panel. This means that this feature is now on your Quick Settings panel. Regardless of your Android model, you can close the Quick Settings panel by swiping up from the bottom of the screen.